Attrition in human resources management. Definition. Attrition refers to the gradual and natural reduction in the workforce of a business or organization over a period of time due to the departure of employees, either voluntarily or involuntarily, whose vacant positions are not immediately replaced. This phenomenon is typically measured through attrition rates, which quantify the percentage of employees leaving the organization in relation to the total workforce. Attrition can occur for various reasons, including retirement, resignation, termination, or other forms of job separation. Elaboration in common words. Attrition in the context of human resources is like a slow, ongoing process where employees leave a company for different reasons, and these empty positions aren't filled right away. It's kind of like a gradual decrease in the number of people working in the company over time. People might leave because they retire, find new jobs, or for other reasons, and the company might not always hire new people to replace them immediately. Examples of attrition. Retirement. Imagine a company where several senior employees are reaching the age of retirement. As they retire, their positions are not filled with new hires. Over a few years, the company's workforce gradually reduces in size due to this attrition. Voluntary resignations. Consider a tech company where some software engineers decide to leave and start their own businesses. The company doesn't hire new engineers right away, leading to a slow reduction in the number of developers and causing attrition. Importance of attrition. Attrition is an important concept for HR managers to understand as it affects workforce planning, budgeting, and overall organizational stability. High attrition rates can indicate issues within the company, such as low employee satisfaction or poor management practices. Advantages of attrition. Cost savings. Not filling every vacant position immediately can save money on salaries and benefits. Opportunity for change. Attrition can create room for new talent and fresh ideas in the organization. Disadvantages of attrition. Workload imbalance. If positions are not refilled, existing employees might have to take on extra responsibilities, leading to burnout. Loss of knowledge. Departing employees might take valuable knowledge and skills with them, which can impact the organization's operations. How to avoid attrition. Engagement and recognition. Engaged employees are more likely to stay. Recognizing and rewarding their efforts can increase their satisfaction. Professional development. Providing opportunities for learning and growth within the company can make employees feel valued and less likely to leave. Competitive compensation. Offering competitive salaries and benefits ensures that employees don't leave for better offers elsewhere. Work-life balance. Creating a healthy work-life balance reduces the chances of burnout and dissatisfaction. Effective leadership. Good management and communication practices can contribute to a positive work environment and employee retention. In essence, attrition is a natural process in the workforce, but managing it effectively is crucial to maintaining a stable and thriving organization.